Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we have an unboxing of the Tenpoint Venom X new crossbow, and this is my first actual good quality crossbow. I've had a couple of cheap ones over the years, so let's open up that box. I've been waiting for it. I just sliced it up and that's it. See what we got in here. We have a 3-pack of the Pro Elite 400 grain arrows. There she is down below. I'll show you what else I bought too. Alright, so we got our quiver in this box. It's going to be our scope over here. Quick look at the scope. Looks very similar to the one on my Killer Instinct as far as size and the flip caps. It doesn't have the speed ring like the, show you the Killer Instinct one. Hold on a second. On the Killer Instinct you have the speed rings for quick adjustment. Also in the package you have your owner's manual, tiny little container of rail lube, although you only need a small amount. I did buy some more Tenpoint rail lube on Amazon. I'm also going to pick up an extra crank handle and an extra string just to have some backup. You plan on shooting this one a good amount, so I'm going to have anything extra in case I run into any issues. And there she is. You can see her in all of her glory. I got it in the standard green color. Built in America. These come out of Ohio. This is the spot for your handle for the AccuSlide silent crank system. Mine did come with a scratch and a bunch of little scuffs and stuff, but not too big of a deal. Nothing that's gonna really bother me. Eventually I'll scuff it up, but you know, when you do spend like $1,300, you'd like to see it without any scuffs. But that's her. I'm gonna mount the scope in a little bit and sight it in the morning. Hopefully get a deer in the next week or so. This is the problem where a lot of people with the Killer Instincts are having right now. The limbs are imploding and cracking and splintering. So that's why I picked up the 10-point. They seem to have a lot less issues. Could take a look at it. There it is next to the Killer Instinct Vital X 430. Size comparison. I do like the screen though. So I'm going to get that scope mounted up and I will show you that, what it looks like all together. Alright, and that is them side by side, both mounted. Got mine set for my eye. This was the best position on the rail for me, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 slots up. Really good looking crossbow. I'm gonna take a couple of videos tomorrow shooting it, so Just a quick unboxing. Here's also the made in the mirror. This is the decock. Lifetime limited warranty. Requires alpha knock HP arrows. So make sure you get your alpha knocks. Actually ordered a second set. Show you what I got here. Got the lighted ones as well from Tenpoint. Hopefully this video got to show you the Venom X. Definitely good quality. I'm not a reviewer that was given a crossbow just to make a shill video. I bought this with my own money, and we'll see how it goes. If it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. I'll put the videos up regardless. Take care.